Girls find these masculine traits irresistibly attractive. Hey there, it's Anna. Are you often wondering why some guys seem to be the dictionary definition of masculine? It seems to ooze from them with zero effort, and some of these guys clearly don't look like they spend every morning at the gym. Well, today is your lucky day, for we are diving in deep and looking at the masculine traits that women find irresistible. And you will be surprised at how easy they are to adopt for yourself. And if you stick around until the very end, I will share a bonus tip that you can adopt immediately with zero effort that will increase your attractiveness. So let's dive in. The irresistible charm of self-confidence. A man exuding self-confidence carries himself with an air of assurance that draws people in. Confidence is like a secret weapon that can make any man stand out in a crowd. So here are some ways to adopt unshakable confidence. Learn to say no to things that you don't agree with or you don't want or have time to do. Some examples could be not awkwardly laughing along with a joke that you find offensive or inappropriate, standing up for yourself when someone tries to talk you down, and standing up for another person. For example, if you find yourself in a group setting and you have noticed there is someone who comes across as shy and no one else is making conversation with them, if you include them in the conversation, you not only make that person feel welcomed, but it shows everyone around you your level of self-confidence. Surround yourself with other confident people or engage in content that lifts you up and supports your new self-perception. Keeping your self-help books and mastery mindset books on display for women to see is a surefire way for her to clock your self-confidence. Women are naturally drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin, radiating confidence that is both genuine and magnetic. Have ambition. Ambition is another trait that acts as a silent beacon, guiding women towards men who stand out naturally. Unlike those who try too hard to appear successful or impressive, truly ambitious individuals emit a distinct aura of determination. It's not about boasting achievements, but about working on achieving your goals with passion and dedication. The easiest way to maintain your ambition is to set realistic goals, such as I will make £3,000 in 3 months with my new business, instead of saying I will make 10k with my new business. And here's a tip: put your achievable goals on a post-it note and leave it somewhere in your home to keep you driven. And if a woman happens to see this post-it note, she will find you irresistibly attractive. And you will find that the more driven you are towards long-term goals, the less likely you will date emotionally immature women. Why? Because, well, you no longer depend on immediate gratification. You are happy to wait and put in the work to achieve something or someone worthwhile. Zero jealousy. I'm pretty confident, in saying that the majority of women have dated an overly jealous man in their past. And sadly, this can carry over jealous expectations into their next relationships, leaving a sense of distrust and having to be a couple of steps ahead in case their new relationship again turns toxic. So, if you display zero jealousy, a woman will feel safe, she will trust you, and that is the start of irresistible attraction. And here are some ways that you can do this. Not checking up on her when she's out with her friends. Now, yes, you can drop a text, show her that you're thinking of her, but demanding to know who she is with and giving her reasons to feel that you don't trust her is toxic. In short, giving her space when she is with her friends and family is healthy. You can also encourage her to spend more time with her favourite people. Offer to drop her off and pick her up, and let her talk about the new guy at work without asking, does he have a girlfriend and does he look like he goes to the gym? Having trust in her is healthy and will make you appear more confident and attractive because you exude the I know I am high value, and if you break any boundaries in our relationship, well, then that's your loss vibes. Hey, are you enjoying today's content? If so, let me know down in the comments below, and whilst you're there, why not like the video too? It would be greatly appreciated. The importance of protection. Protection isn't just physical, it's emotional and mental. A woman will find you more attractive if she knows you protect her peace as well as her physical self. Being proactive in problem solving shows you care and that you want to look after her. Not getting immediately defensive when she addresses something in the relationship that has been niggling at her too. And being able to plan ahead, such as not leaving all the date plans to her. This shows her that you are headstrong and when needed, she can rely on you. Women appreciate men who can create a safe and secure environment, demonstrating strength through actions that safeguard. Some easy ways to show this is simply offering to pick her up from work if it's dark and she doesn't drive, letting her speak without interrupting her, and showing that you are actively listening. And most importantly, showing concern when she is more than 15 minutes late getting home, or if she hasn't been in touch like she usually does in the evenings. So in short, you want to make sure that you are showing her that you will protect her physically, emotionally, and mentally. And of course, there will be unique ways that you can make this work in your relationship because we are all unique. But some examples, like we've mentioned, could be literally going to the gym. It could be asking her if she got home from work safe, and then just basically asking if she's had a nice day to protect her emotional well-being too. It's actually pretty easy. You will notice girls are really good at doing this to other girls. They always ask how they are keeping, if they've eaten, that type of stuff. So if you are struggling with this one, literally observe a woman just for say 2 to 3 minutes with her friends and you will pick up some great habits. The physical element. Physical fitness has long been associated with attractiveness. Going to the gym and being in good shape can significantly increase a man's value and sex appeal. Now, let's not forget about your clothing. Wearing clothing that makes you feel good is important. And let me tell you, dressing with confidence shows. Keeping up regular grooming habits, such as maintaining your beard and keeping your hair and your nails in top shape, will maximize your attractiveness. It's not just about conforming to societal beauty standards. It's about the commitment to a healthy lifestyle that radiates vitality and well-being, and that you care about your appearance, which sets a healthy boundary of, I value myself, therefore I only date high-value women. Now, despite what you think, maintaining a high-quality appearance is a masculine trait. You are simply grooming yourself to stand out from all the other men in a woman's social circle. So find what works for you and look your best. Bonus tip, watch your posture. Stand up tall. Imagine you are radiating masculine energy and you will find your body language naturally moves to fit your mindset. Standing with confidence, no slouching, hands out the pockets, taking up the space around you all shows that you are alert, you are confident, you are approachable and attractive. And if you ever struggle to find women making a move in public, well, it could be down to your body language giving off the I'm not approachable and not interested vibes. So, the easiest way to get attention in public is to simply stand or sit, whatever you are doing, without looking at your phone. Look around at your surroundings instead. It shows you are present, you are mentally healthy, and for an extra tip, pull out a book. After reading a couple of pages, pop your head up, scan the environment around you, and this will make you very, very attractive. So, gentlemen, take note. There is a universal language of attraction that speaks louder than words. Embrace these masculine traits, not just for the sake of allure, but as a journey towards becoming the best version of yourself, both in relationships and in life. And whilst you've learned about the masculine traits that women find irresistibly attractive, why not check out the sexual hints from women that men struggle to decode, or discover the signs that she can't believe you haven't made a move yet. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.